Alright everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to stop the HTML injection from the forms. So for example right here, we created this guidebook in the last video, and in this video we will talk about how to stop people from using HTML to change the content of our PHP guidebook. So for example right here, you see if I type in, let's say I want to type in Michael, for example, Michael De Santa, alright, and I can say for example H2, alright, I am Michael, something like that, and just end the H2, alright. So if somebody uses the H2, if that person posts the comment, you see that it will be like bold, and this is all HTML, so this is not what we want, because this will destroy our guestbook. So to avoid this and to get rid of this issue, what you do is there are two ways that you can do. So right here, this is the code that we have typed in the last video, and right here you see I have my variables here. So you see these are the file rights. So this is what happens when somebody clicks on submit. This is what happens. So and you see right here it inserts the variable, so it inserts this post. So what I'm gonna add here, so I'm gonna wrap up my first name variable inside of something called HTML entities. Alright, so HTML entities, and you open two parentheses. So basically I'm gonna insert my variable inside of those parentheses. So you see right here I have that there, so HTML entities, just like that, and I can simply add it here too. Alright, so HTML entities, just like that, and I'll add it here too. So one more thing, so HTML entities and parentheses. Alright, so let me add one here. Alright, so we have that there, and now if we save this, so save, and I'm gonna simply load it again, localhost. Alright, and let me go to the guestbook. So this is the guestbook that we have created, so I'm gonna add the same thing. So I'm gonna say for example Michael, let's say Michael came back, alright, and he wants to insert his malicious code. So let's say that he wants to add the age 1, so age 1, and he says something like hello, and a lot of people, they don't say hello, they use bad words and stuff like that. So now if I click on post, you see right here the comment will be just like that. You see it's just like age 1 and just like that. So you see age 1 and hello, and it has inserted it just like as if it's a comment. So this is how you avoid people from injecting their malicious code. And I think it's a good idea that we should style it in the next time. So in the next video I'll be styling my guestbook, and after I style it, what I'll do is I'll add more to it, So if this form is empty or something like that, I want the submission to be stopped. Alright, so I don't want somebody to click on post and add an empty comment here. So this is not what we want. We want to validate the form and do all that stuff. Alright, but before I go, you can do one more thing. Instead of saying HTML entities, just like that, alright, so HTML entities, and you add variables, you can use HTML special characters. So HTML special chars, alright, so special chars, and so this will work too. So this will convert the special characters to HTML entities, alright, and this one will convert all applicable characters to HTML entities. So I think HTML entities is more powerful than the HTML special characters, but both will work. All right, so it's up to you which one to choose, but I recommend that you use the HTML entities. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you all in the next videos. I'm out.